All right, welcome back. So in the last video, we're still following up. In the last video, we're still on the how you can use our service for free. It's the same process you can follow if you want to buy the service. So how can you use it for free? I went through step 1 up till step 6. Um, on step 6 currently is use it to purchase the product you wish. We selected this particular product 0.45. We added it to the cart, but I kind of now removed it. Now I'm adding it again to the cart. As you can see on the top banner here, is showing that you've added something. I click view cart. As you can see, it's showing clearly that you've selected one product and the price is 0.45p and is one quantity, and the subtotal amount is 0.45. Coming downwards, you can see on this line there's a coupon part. We're going to get the coupon part now. Where's the coupon? Look at the coupon on number 4. I'm copying the coupon here, and if you follow the instruction that I said 1 to 6, it said copy the number 5 and use it to buy the product. So how do you use it to buy the product? You put the coupon code here, then you click on this button apply. Before you click on apply, let's come down to the right hand corner, cart totals. You can see subtotal here is showing 0.45, right? So watch what's going to happen by the time we click on apply coupon. Subtotal 0.45, total 0.45. Now you can't buy it now because you need to pay with your own money. But because we have this free coupon, all you need to do, copy the coupon, put it here and click apply. Now he's doing his thing. It has applied. As you can see, the coupon worked. Look at the value below. It has applied your free coupon to test our product. You can see below it is total now is 0. It's free, 100% free for you to use in the particular 1 hour product that you've selected. What do you do next? Proceed to checkout. I've clicked on proceed to checkout now. It's doing its thing now. It has come to the final screen for you to do what you need to do. First thing is asking you, top left corner, your email address. I'm just going to put customer1@hotmail.com. Feel free to use whatever is your email, because you need to put your email, so if you want to retrieve your username or whatever is going on wrong, you can use that for troubleshooting. So the next thing is the billing details. Just watch which is compulsory. You can put your name here. I'm just going to put Ben, and my last name is Water. All right. So I can put any country. I can put the US. You can put. I can see that is not required. You carry on. Put your address if you wish, not required. Put your apartment if you wish, not required. Put your town if you wish, not required. Country if you wish, not required. Postcode if you wish, not required. I'm going to the next bit. So you know, I think as you can see the star is there. So the phone number is required. You just need to put your phone number there. The next bit here, this bit, tell us anything you want to tell us. If you don't want to tell us anything, leave it. It's also not required. All you need to do next, you need to remember this is your username, your email address. Once you click this button, it will send you details in the email. So you need to be very sure your email is correct. So I'm going to click on this button now to place the order, and we see what happens next. On the right hand corner, you can see the particular product you've selected. You applied coupon, which was successful. The total amount is 0.45. Coupon applied, which brought this payment that you need to make to be 0. That means you're getting this product for free. Now, if you're buying yourself, if you're buying another product, because this coupon is limited period, once you exhaust the £4.77, you now need to purchase on your own. All right, so if you're buying on your own, you see the total value here. And the next bit here, once you click on this place order, it will take you to where you can put your cards in and pay. Or sometimes, if you since you we applied the coupon in the beginning before coming here, it will bring a pop-up where you can put, for example, your card details, debit card or credit card that you wish to pay with. So that is that. I've just gone through buying it for free, as you can see, or buying it with your own personal funds if free has exhausted. The next thing I need to do is to place order. I'm going to click on place order now. It's doing its thing now. As you can see, the bubble is going around, 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 and it has done it. So it has shown, thank you, Ben. It showed you this is customer1@hotmail.com. It gives you confirmation of your address, and it comes down and tells you the product. This is the product you've just bought. Download is one, but don't worry about that. It expires and the same day today and tomorrow, right? Is it one day? Okay, it's 1 hour. It will expire by tomorrow. This means you need to use this 1 hour from now till tomorrow, till the next day. So I bought it today, 23rd. It's going to expire on the 24th. Now, download link is here. As you can see, it's telling you click this link and on click on it to use service under the product you just purchased to start using the application. So let's click on it and see what's going on. So I've clicked on it now. All right, it's telling me to go to shop. Let's see why. All right, so now, so you need to be logged in. So there's one step. Like, can I go back? Let's see if it's still there. All right, from this screen, all you need to do next, go to your email. You should see your username and password. If you don't see your username and password, it will send you a link for you to create a password for this email, and that's all you need to do. The next bit you do, you can now click here. All you need to do is to go into the service. As we'll come back to our to our steps. As you can see here now, on number 6, we just finished number 6. We've purchased the product. Then number 7, you need to be a registered user before you can buy any product. That's what we have done already. We had to put our username and password before we could buy, and I've told you the password will be sent into your email, so you need to have the right email there. Number 8, you can register and buy the product in the same go, or you register as a new user. So what the part I did, I kind of bought the product and registered at the same go. Alternatively, you can register as a user first, then buy the product later. How do you register as a user first? You come here, you click on this image here. If you're not registered, you can see I'm going to log out of that registration here. So once you click on this little image here, person image on the top right corner, it will come to this screen, and you can use here now to register. You put in your details, your email, and you now click this register button. It sends a link to your email for you to create your password yourself. As you can see, read this, you know what it has done. But if you've registered already, the next bit you need to do is to log in. So I've registered already. Let me click on this again. Let me see if it's also, oh no. All right, I'm going to go back once more. So I had my registration there. Unfortunately, it went off. I thought it was Ben. Let me see if I can get my my password there. Let me see. I'm trying to log in now with my username and password. All right, now I missed that. It's unfortunate I can't. Let's see if I can get my username and password back. I can also send a reset to myself. If you forget it, you can send a reset to yourself. It will go to your email. And yes, I remember now. It's a quite. I'm just going to try and get my username and password. Then I'll come back. I'll be very fast with it. So just so you know, it happens. You might forget your username and password. That's not a good thing, but you need to write it down, or you save it somewhere that you can get it at any time you want it. So I'm trying to get my password now so I can carry on. Like I said, it will send you an email so you can start doing what you need to do. So let's see. I think I am close to getting my username and password. Let's see. Do I have it here? Um, that I think I did it. All right. So I should have it somewhere here. I'm looking for my username and password now. So if you don't get it easily, try and check your junk email, your junk folder. It could just be lying there. Okay, now I've seen my username and password. I put my password in there, and my username is Mike. Let's see if that works. I've clicked on login now. All right, that didn't work, and I know why, because my password has some characters in it. So now I've gotten my password. So it's kind of a lengthy one. Apologies, I can't show you my password. That's why I'm kind of doing it on the next screen here. So I have my password now. My username is Mike. My password is my password is hidden. Remember me. I'm gonna tick that and log in. So let's see. That didn't work for me. What's going on? All right. I see. Yes, that looks right to me. I think I might now need to. Let's see. It looks correct to me. All right. Let's see. So this can happen. It's a sad one that is happening now. Um, I know everything looks correct except I missed something. All right, I think it's trying to work. Let's see if there's anything wrong. So this is kind of the cloud thing going on, but it should work. I'm gonna try it once more and see. All right, it's not registered. All right, I think it's Mike. I know it's Mike. So let's see. Error. All right, it's telling me to reset my password. Um, I don't know why it will be telling me because I did remember. So what I can do, I can alternatively you can log in with your email. So I'm going to log in with my email instead of my username. I think I can't remember my username. So the alternative here is for me to log in with my email. So I'm just going to quickly do that now instead of using the just bear with me. I'm trying to do it quickly and fine to see if that is the problem. And if it works, then I'll now show you what I've done. All right, it's the same thing I'm getting. All right, so what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to, I'm just going to reset my password. That will be the only thing I can do here. All right, I think that's going to all be helpful too. So you guys can see how to reset your password. Now my name is Mike. My username is Mike, and I can't remember my password. I'm just going to click on lost password, your password. So it wants me to put in my email. I am just going to pick my email real quick for security reason. I'm just going to put this away. I've put my email in my other screen. I've also now sent it. So it's going to send right now. So what I've done now, as you can see, I've put in my email and I've clicked send password. So I'm going to check my email behind the scene now and see it will send you a link. Most times it will go to your junk mail, Depends on how you have it set up. So now I'm looking at my email now, and I have a link to reset my password. I have copied the link it has sent to me. I'm just going to put it in this new browser, a new tab, and this is telling me to reset my password now. So I'm just going to stick with my old password, which I have here, and I'm going to put it in this second one. It needs to be strong enough, and save it. So that went well. As you can see, I'm now logged in. So I'm logged in, which is good. The next bit now, I can now go to, I don't know why, I'm going to check why this is showing, because we did buy it. So I'm going to services now and push this apart. This is, let's see, all right. So the next step here on step 8, step 8 is telling us you can register and buy the product in the same go, or you register as a user. We'll finish that bit. Number 9, once you are finished buying your preferred product, go to services menu and click use service. It will take you to the product you wish to use and the period you have been authorized to use the service. Now, you remember we bought the 1 hour one. We're in 1 hour. I'm going to make it a little bit lower. Remember, we're on 1 hour, and now all we need to do is come down a little bit. As you can see, this is 1 hour. We just click on use service. If we bought it well, it will take us to the application, but if we did not buy it correctly, it will not go. As you can see, it's taking us back to the shop. So I think this is a good one for us to troubleshoot. So what I need to do first, I need to go to the cart. I'm opening it up. This is it now. I have the coupon, if you remember. The coupon is this. I copied the coupon again. I click it here, and I think I've used this one. I should be a registered user already. Okay. Now I know what's going on. All right. So I have a username and password already. With this username, Mike, I have already purchased a day's product, not hour. So, but that is the same step you need to follow. So just to connect it now, at this bit now, I need to go to services and select the product I've purchased. Remember, I said I've used this before. What I did with you now, I went to hourly. I'm supposed to go to daily because I've bought this product already on a daily basis. So I need to click on this use service. So with this use service, as you can see, is working, is going, and this is our application. This shows, number 1, you have bought with our free purchase coupon, and you can open it. So that concludes number 1 till number 9, how to use our service for free, how to get our service for free. Let me bring it down a little bit. So just to recap, I showed you how to follow step 1 up to step 9 to purchase our service, the particular product you like, and you can now view it here. This is the application live in front of you. Now, in the next bit, I'll be showing you how can you use it, because the next step is to show you how to use it. You need to follow some specific step, then you'll know how to use it. All right, this is the end of this video. Just stick with us. The next bit, I am going to show you how you can use this service. Bye.